at Maths Form 4, topic Coordinate Geometry, Lesson 2, question. Step 1, collect what is given. A point S moves. Now this moving point S, its coordinate, we must label X and Y. The moving point S coordinate must label X and Y. And it moves along the arc of a circle. So we collect the circle with the center P negative 2, 2. So this point P negative 2, 2 is the center of the circle. Next, the arc of the circle passes through point Q, another point Q, 6, negative 4. Now when I've come until here, I'm going to collect what is given, a point S, arc of a circle, the center P, arc of a circle, passing through Q. I'm going to collect this in a diagram. So I draw the circle, I mark the point S on the arc, and then the center is P, point P, which I label coordinate XP, YP. And then I mark the other point Q, 6, negative 4, on the arc, and I label the coordinate XQ, YQ. Now we look what they ask. Find equation of the locus of point S. As usual, we start from what they ask. Locus of point S, so I collect, put question mark, locus of S. Now as I go to the diagram, to the S, they are asking locus of S. As I go to the diagram, to the point S, and this S is moving along the circle. Next, the distance of point S to the center of circle, of course, is radius. Distance between the point S and the center of circle is radius. I label R. And there's another radius R between the point P and the point Q, which is also radius. I label as R. So from here, of course, the radius R and R must be same because it is a circle. That means the SP radius same as the QP radius, which I have put here. The SP radius same as the QP radius. So now SP equals QP. Now this SP and QP radius is length. Therefore, I will use the formula length. The length AB is square root x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. So this is the formula we are going to use. So for the length SP, square root coordinate S minus coordinate P. You always start from the coordinate of the moving point, the S. In this case S. We start from the coordinate of the moving point S. So this is XS minus XP bracket square plus YS minus YP bracket square. The same thing applies on the QP, square root XQ minus XP bracket square plus YQ minus YP bracket square. Now the first thing we do, you must cancel the square root. So I square both sides. The first thing to do, cancel the square root by squaring both sides. Square, square. So the square root will disappear. The square root will disappear because we square both sides. So now we substitute the coordinates. X as is the x minus yp, xp is 2 plus ys is the y minus, be careful, yp is negative 2. So this is minus negative 2. On the right hand side, similar, x cube 6 minus xp 2 plus y cube negative 4 minus yp negative 2. So here we have negative, of course bracket square, don't forget the bracket square. So here we have negative 4 minus is plus 2. So we have negative 4 plus 2, which is negative 2. So now on the left hand side, x minus 2 bracket square, I just copy back. Minus is plus. So we have y plus 2 bracket square. On the right hand side, 6 minus 2, 4 square. And here we already got negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2 square. Now on the left hand side, I'm going to expand x minus 2 bracket square and also expand y plus 2 bracket square. And the formula, I'm going to write down here the formula. That is the a plus b bracket square. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If it is here minus, then here also minus. Behind always plus. So this is the formula, lower secondary. So using that, x minus 2 bracket square, it is x square minus 4x, 2 square is 4, plus y plus 2 bracket square is y square, 2 times y plus times 2, 4y, and then 2 square is 4. On the right hand side, 4 square 16, negative 2 square is 4. So all we have to do now is collect. We have plus 4 left hand side, plus 4 right hand side, of course can cancel. And then I collect x square minus 4x plus y square plus 4y plus 4. That is 16. I transfer to left hand side minus 16. So now we have x square minus 4x over here. X square minus 4x. Y square plus 4y. Y square plus 4y. 4 minus 16, negative 12. Since we have transferred everything from right to left, of course this is 0, which is equal 0. So our locus for point S is x square minus 4x plus y square plus 4y minus 12 equals 0, which is our answer. Thank you. I see you on the next